Hello and welcome back to C News. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel and click on that notification bell. Well, there's a developing story, guys. Malema versus Kenny Kunene. Well, Julius Malema, leader of the Economic Freedom Fighters (EFF), is demanding 1 million rand in damages from Kenny Kunene, deputy president of the Patriotic Alliance (PA). Malema says Kunene made defamatory statements about him during a podcast interview, and his lawyers have now taken action. To those who don't know, the dispute started after Kunene appeared on the Podcast and Chill Network with MacG, which was released online on the 28th of February 2026 this year. During the interview, Kunene made several controversial claims about Malema, which Malema says damaged his reputation. According to Malema's lawyers, Kunene claimed that Malema left businessman Adriano Mazzoti's property at night to meet the late taxi boss Jonathan Zenemvula Msibi, also known as Mswazi. Well, Msibi has been previously linked with, or let me just say, with reports to an alleged criminal network known as the Big Five. Malema's legal team argues that those comments suggest he's involved in criminal activity, which they say is very, very, very defamatory. Well, other statements Kunene made allegedly is that, oh, let me just say, the letter from Malema's lawyers says Kunene also made several personal attacks, including saying Malema acts like a holy cow in public, calling him a boy, claiming Malema would have changed his skin color if he were a musician, claiming that forming FF practically forming the EFF was originally his idea. Malema's lawyers say these statements were meant to damage his reputation as a political leader. Bear in mind that later this year, I think around November, there's going to be government elections. I think so. So I think this was a way or a strategy for Kenny Kunene to go and destroy Julius Malema's reputation. Malema's lawyers have issued a formal letter to Kenny Kunene. They want him to publicly retract the statements, apologize, pay 1 million rand in damages. Kenny Kunene was given until 9 March 2026 to comply or face full court action. What if, or let me just say, what happens if Kunene refuses? If Kunene does not take the instructions by the lawyers from Malema plans to take the matter to court, seek damages, possibly request a punitive legal cost against Kunene. This is not for the first time the two politicians have fought legally. In 2023, Malema won a case against Kunene in the Equity Court after Kunene called him a cockroach. Kunene later lost his appeal in 2025, meaning that the court upheld the ruling that statement was hate speech. At the time the article was published, Kunene could not respond for request as the article was posted by Daily Sun. Yeah, Daily Sun. So yeah, guys, that's the latest story. Tomorrow is the day for Kunene. If he does not publicly apologize to Julius Malema, then he might see himself going to court, guys. So unfortunately, this is the end of the video. Please make sure that you subscribe and you click on that notification bell. Danko!